how are you? I'm Diana and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a really exciting video. It's my workspace tour or desk tour. Let's get started. My desk, I don't know where it's from because my mom just picked it up. I don't remember where. But anyway, let's just focus on the first corner. Okay, so in the start I have my little succulent plant, then some markers, then my Inukshuk thing that I'm gonna talk about in a little bit more. Then I have my lamp there, and I'm just showing you how it works. And then I have this photo there that is from New Orleans, I think. That's my laptop. I'm gonna leave my specs and links to almost everything that I can find down below, so be sure to check the description. Okay, so next corner I have this makeup organizer that I actually use for stationery, and in the corner I have all my liners. I think I have 3 packets or 4, I don't know. And then I have Stabilo Boss and Pastel, and then I have kind of like my deco thing, and then below I have my staples and my little correction tape. So yeah. Then I have my this 3-drawer thing organizer. It turned out pretty good. Then I have my clock there and some fake plants up there. And in the first drawer I have all my most used things like pens, pencils, eraser, lead, and everything, so I don't have to go looking for them for my like pen case or something like that. And then I have the second one, I have my most used markers, and then in the third one is kind of like in my Bujo Essentials drawer. So if you want a video on that more in depth, be sure to take that comment into the comment section, please. Then I have this coaster that I bought at Montreal, Canada, and it was super expensive. It was for I think $20 or something, like crazy. And then I have this cassette thing that I just dropped that is for kind of like a phone stand. I saw it, I don't know where, but I love the idea. And I just put some minimal washi there, and it just stands right there. Okay, so then I have my planner Bujo. If you want to see my setup, there will be a link in the cards and below. I have my favorite pen there, and then I'm gonna go to the next thing. That is this organizer that has 4 drawers, and the part above I have a little basket where it holds a lot of stuff. I have some folders from, I think it's We Are Memory Keepers, but I'm not really sure. I have all my shop products, my calligraphy, some important documents like, I don't know. Okay, then I have some stickers, an envelope, a poly envelope where I keep a lot of my, what is that? Like the die cuts. And I don't have a die cut machine, but when I have it, I'm just gonna keep them there. And then I have my brush pen swatches. And it was gold, but then I put some rose gold as well as the same as the frame there. Then I have some washi. Then I have some deco paper that I love, that is succulent. I have some extra washi that didn't fit in my organizer. I have some fine liners that are like felt, and then I have some clips, binder clips. There's my organizing washi, and I love to see it. And I think in total I have 105 with my favorite washi that is on my desk on my makeup organizer. And then I think I'm gonna go to the drawers. There in the first one I'm sorry, it's really weird to hold the like the phone with one hand. But there I have all my stickers, like from characters and emojis. And then I have my glasses, and I don't know why I have them there. I probably should change them and use them actually. I love those glasses. They're handmade with bamboo wood. And yeah, and then I have my little teacher book, notebook, that every time that I go to a meeting in my school, I take notes there. Then I have my journals all the way to the back, and then I have some little booklets and other journals there. I have some tea things because I love tea and I'm always drinking it, so I just keep it there. Next, I think I'm gonna just save, like, put everything back. And the next drawer is actually my tools, and for tools I mean like scissors and like stamps and glue and everything. It does look like a mess, but I know where everything is. That was in the wrong little box. So that box is one lid and one bottom. And then I have some stamps, teacher stamps and then Bujo stamps, and my ink pads. And I have some tapes there, like painter's tape and everything. The next one is full of sticky notes and some other things. So I love sticky notes and I love that drawer. And as you can see, I have flags and like tape, and most of them are from Post-it, some are from other brands like Hawaii Pen Shop and all those. And then I have some markers there, the random, that I didn't know where to put, and that's a phone case, I think is the lid. But either way, it's a good organization hack that I learned from Study with Inspo, I think. Then I have my last drawer, and it's my art one. I have all my acrylic paints, watercolor paints, Sharpies, paintbrushes, and some artsy architectural markers and Crayola super tips, and a book of how to draw. And that's it for that part. And then I'm gonna go the other way around for you to see my chair and the bottom part. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna talk about my chair. Yeah, the image is there. Actually, that chair, I got it as from a garage sale, and it's really comfortable, and I put the cushion there. I have my Lysol. Sorry that you're seeing my trash. I have my trash can. I really love that one. It's really cool. Then I have my board, and I put my calendar and then some inspiration, and my to-do list goes in the big one. And I have my markers exactly for that. I didn't really specify, I'm sorry. Then I have my eraser there that is magnetic, but I want to have it like away from there. Anyway, so I have this organizer that from Monday to Friday, and right now, because I'm already in vacations, I only have to laminate and organize, so I just put everything there. The last one is actually, I have the laminating pouches, so nothing to do on Friday but to have fun. Either way, that mega binder is my teaching methodology, and I have it there to peek at it. Then we're going to the decor, and I have a lot of quotes. One is live more, worry less. I have some artsy ones, and I have never take one single breath for granted. I have work hard and stay humble, and it's the same as my desktop. And then I have all those who wonder are not lost, and I have a keep calm and love Diana that my cousin gave to me. He's so nice. And then I have one of the scenes, one of my favorite scenes of A Love So Beautiful, the Chinese drama, and I just have it there because I love it. And I have this little geometric shape that is out of the paper, the same paper like the rose gold, and I just stick it there as it was extra. And yeah, I have 2 of my paintings, and one is in pastel and one is in pencil. And yeah, so yeah, I think I'm probably doing the down part. Sorry, I cannot see. But I have 3 jars, and all of those have magnets, and I use those for my board. And yeah, and so yeah, they are 2 mason jars, and the other one is just like a painted jar that I did. And I have big alphabets and then small alphabets in the other one. I don't have a lid for that, but either way. And then I have this like boxy cest thing that is from Home Depot, and I have a bunch of binders and printer paper and sorry, that was weird, and some scraps of paper, like my reusable paper. I just keep it in that thing. And then I think that's the last thing that I'm going to tell you. It's where I keep all my books. It looks like a mess, but actually really works. I have 2 candles there. My favorite cup by Bed Bath & Beyond. A laminator that is from Amazon. I love it. Then I have my cutter from American Crafts. I have a hair there, and it is gray with pink. And I have my Tombow collection. I have, I think, 3 packets. And I have my dictionary. And all those drawers, I'm not going to show it to you because it's messy, and I actually want everything to be more minimal, but I'm working towards it. Have to take a lot of trash out so I can make it better. Then I have my 2 desk drawers. The first one, I have some like things for me to light up my candles, and I use like electric one. My clips, stapler remover, and that. EOS lip balm, mirror, a bunch of erasers, Pocky, because I always want something like yummy when I'm there and working. And then I have pencils, black pens, highlighters, and markers. So, and then the other drawer, it's kind of like my electronic drawer. I know it's a mess, or it looks like a mess, but I have like my external hard drive, my calculator that I love, that is an HP and it's white. And then I have some information about Inukshuk, that is the green little dude there. And that is something like that is close to Vancouver, I think, and is like a stone man, and the longer arm is the one that points to the nearest town. So it's really cute, and I have some extra little things there, Velcro, messy, but either way, just put everything back. It's kind of difficult when you want hand. And I have some punchers that I just fit there because I don't have anywhere else to put them, and I want to keep them close because I use them fairly like in a day-to-day basis. And yeah, my headphones and everything. And yeah, my cables right now, I mean, that space is supposed to have my charger for my laptop, but it's in use. Then I have that charger for my phone. I'm just plugging it in so I can take it later. And that's all that I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Please be sure to click the subscribe button and like. Click the bell. Okay, bye! Don't forget to click the subscribe and click the notification bell to watch all the videos right when I post them. Bye!